Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got very beautiful tops from Meesho, and these tops are going to be very trendy and affordable as well. So I'm very much excited to show you guys what all I have got. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first top which I'm gonna show you guys is quite trendy, and you would have seen this particular top all over the Instagram. I'm not really sure, but this is a copy of one of the famous brand, which is a la mode. And if I remember, I had got no similar top from a la mode, but it was not fitting me, so I had to return it. So yeah, this is how the top looks like. This is from Meesho, guys. So yeah, it's a very beautiful top. It's very much similar to the a la mode top, and yeah, this is how it looks like. This is like a bodysuit, and you can wear it. I mean, you know, right, how to wear the bodysuit. You just have to tuck in like this. They have given a button, and then this will go inside the bottom part. And yeah, this is how the top looks like. You can also see in the try on haul like how this top looks like. Here and there I see like threads coming out, but nonetheless this top looks really beautiful, guys. And you can see like they have given a full sleeves. Okay, the price of this particular top is 385 rupees. After discount, I got it for 359 rupees. I would say it's a very affordable top. If you like this one, definitely you can go for it. And I really like this one, guys, but I'm not really sure like how long this is going to stay. This is like a velvet. I'm not really sure how long this is going to stay, but if you like this top, you can go for it because it's very affordable. You can wear it like a couple of times. If you don't like it, you can just discard it. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. The next top which I'm gonna show you guys is also a bodysuit, and this is how it looks like. This is quite plain top, and yeah, this is how it looks like. It's quite stretchable, and below you get this kind of thing to tuck it in. Yeah, this is how the top looks like. Very beautiful top. Again, it looks really nice. It is quite trendy, I must say. And the price of this particular top is 266 rupees. After discount, I got it for 249 rupees. And I think for this price the quality is like okay. Don't expect like too good quality. But I would recommend this particular top. It's quite trendy. If you like this top, you can definitely go for it. You can also see in the try on video how this top looks like. And the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is also similar to that, but this is in full sleeves. And the quality of this particular top is really nice, guys, and this is quite affordable as well. And I don't have anything in this color, so I got this one. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It has like a little deep neck, and they have given a full sleeves. This is how it looks like, and the bottom you get this kind of thing. You can just insert this or tuck it inside and wear this top. It looks really nice. I really like this color, guys, and the quality of this top is really nice. It's little bit thick. It's not like this white top. White top is bit thin compared to the pink one. I think pink one is bit pricey than the white one. Let me tell you the price. Okay, the price of pink color is lesser than the white one, and the price is 250 rupees. After discount, I got it for 230 rupees. I think it's very affordable, guys, and the quality of the top is really nice. I would recommend pink one. If you guys want that particular top, you can definitely go for it. And I would say like you can't wear this during summer because you might feel little hot, but nonetheless this top looks really nice, guys. And let me see if they have it in different colors. Yes, guys, they have it in lot of colors. Whichever color you want, you can go for it. They have like multiple colors: orange, maroon, black, multiple colors, guys. I really like this top. And the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is also like a trendy top. You would have seen this particular top in Instagram or YouTube. So a lot of people have reviewed about this particular top, and this is how it looks like. Very beautiful top. It's like no sleeve top, and you can wear it like this, or you can just put a you can just tie it like this. So yeah, this is how the top looks like, guys. I really like this one, and the color is like dark maroon color, which I really like. Very, very beautiful top, and they have given this frills here. The quality of this top is not bad at all. It is really nice. It's bit thick quality, it's not thin. And let me tell you the price.
One hour later.
Okay, the price of this particular top is 351 rupees. After discount, I got it for 334 rupees. Again, the price is very, very reasonable. If you like this top, you can go for it. You can also see in the try on video how this top looks like. I really liked it because it looks really, really trendy to me. Okay, this is the next top which I have. And this is also very beautiful top. If you don't like wearing this kind of tops, you can go for this one. This looks much decent. And this is in a rayon fabric, I guess, because it's not like completely cotton, maybe like cotton mix, I'm not really sure. And yeah, this is how the prints looks like. Very beautiful top. Again, they have given this kind of frills. Okay, if you feel loose in your waist area, you can tighten this. So it's a very beautiful top and very, very comfortable. I got it in medium size. I think this is a bit big for me, but it's okay, I can manage with this. Yeah, very beautiful top, guys. If you like it, you can go for it. And let me tell you the price of this particular top. Okay, the price of this particular top is 336 rupees. After discount, I got it for 318 rupees. Again, very beautiful top. It's very summer appropriate. If you like this top, go for it, guys. I really like this one. And I have one more top in similar pattern, but this is like in a different color. And the quality of this particular top is like much better than the previous one, because previous one I feel like it's like cotton blend, but this is like more like cotton. Yeah, this is how the top looks like. They have given a tying thing here, you can tighten it, and they have given like 3/4 sleeves. You can see like they have given a frills over here. This top also looks really, really pretty, but color wise I like this one, because you guys know that I like dark colors. But this is also really beautiful, guys. If you like white colors, you can definitely go for it. I mean, you can wear this to office, or if you're going to temple or something, this kind of tops will be really useful, I guess. Okay, the price of this particular top is 402 rupees. After discount, I got it for 384 rupees. You can definitely go for this particular top because it's like cotton material. You feel very, very, comfortable during summer. I would recommend it. If you like this, you can go for it. You can also see in the try on video. And the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is in white color. You might have seen this particular top as well, I guess. This is how it looks like. They have given a very beautiful prints, and I got it in medium size, you guys can see. And so below you get this kind of V shape. This will give you good shape to your body. I've given a puff sleeves. Very beautiful top. And again, coming to the price. Okay, the price of this particular top is 338 rupees. After discount, I got it for 320 rupees. Again, this particular top quality is like okay. I didn't like it so much, but for this price, I think it's pretty good. If you like this top, you can go for it. I think it's like a crepe material, I guess. Let me see. No, guys, this is like a lycra material. If you like lycra materials, you can definitely go for it. And the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. Okay, I have two tops here. One is this black. This is how the top looks like. It's a very basic top, and they have given a full sleeves, but behind they have given this open thing, which looks really stylish, I feel. And there's nothing much about this particular top. It's really basic, but the price of this particular top is very, very reasonable. Let me tell you guys. Okay, the price of this particular top is 219 rupees. After discount, I got it for 179 rupees. I think for this price, this top is really nice, guys. It's quite affordable and it looks really trendy. And it has like a proper crop, length, which I really like. And yeah, I really like this one, guys. If you like it, you can definitely go for it. And the last top of this haul is this one. This is a very beautiful and trendy top, guys. If you like sheer top, I think you can go for it. It has a beautiful prints on this. You can see, I guess. So yeah, this is how the top looks like. You can wear some tube bras under this and it looks really pretty. So this is how the sleeves looks like. You don't feel hot in this, guys. It's very comfortable and it is very soft on the skin. It's not like that irritating, material. Okay, the price of this particular top is 431. After discount, I got it for 413 rupees. I think it's quite affordable and the quality of this top is very nice, guys. And be careful when you're wearing this top, because don't pull it like, too hard. Otherwise, this might tear. So because it's too thin, guys, like sheer tops are a bit difficult to manage, but this particular top is really nice. I really like the prints and I can't believe that I found this top in Meesho sometimes have really good stuffs which I have seen. So really nice top, guys. You can definitely go for it. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload our next video, take care. Bye-bye.